Alright, hello. My name is Yogesh Pandit. By profession, I'm a certified public accountant. I'm a certified information system auditor. I've done MBA, and I'm a big data certified from MIT Boston. I'm representing Hexanica. We have two products, Smart Join and Smart Red, focused on banking compliance industry. What we are trying to do is, as our tagline says, banking on big data. We are trying to leverage the power of cloud computing and big data to serve the need of the banks in the regulatory space. Let me start describing these two products. The problems that the clients have is, one is they have consolidated over the last 20 odd years. What it has resulted into is that they have various formats of data, various types of data. We call in big data a variety of data. And then the volume of the data is increasing. What happens as a result of that, they are not able to do consolidated reporting. And that's the reason you are hearing $1 billion in fines. In last 3 years, as per McKinsey, banks have paid $160 billion in fine. That's a huge number, B as in boy. And that's the market that we are trying to cater to. The regulatory market space is around $18 billion. And I would like to get into the solution piece of it. So I will start with the heart of the system. I call it as Smart Link. What it does is, if you're traditionally called as ETL, extract, transform, load layer, and we are removing T from that. What we do is we create the schema dynamically by machine learning with heuristics. We have a multi-dimensional semantic and heuristic algorithms that reads the data, and we have a Unicode normalization. That means we are taking human beings out of the picture, and what it takes 2 years, 3 years for consolidation, probably it would reduce by around 70 to 80% by automation using big data. So there is no need of T. The second thing is it will help banks with the time to market because it will accelerate the process. Let's go to the brain of the system. We call that a smart build. That is the core execution rules engine. We are empowering the parallel and distributed processing of big data to this rules engine. And what it does is, there are three main features. One, it is centralized, it is configurable, and it is cascading. Why this is important is because even in the brain, the middle piece of the whole paradigm, right now a lot of coding happens. The regulators are changing reports on the right hand side, and that's the reason why banks are failing, because they are not able to cope up with the changes. So we are going to leave coding out of the picture. It is all configurable, and that helps with the changes which are very dynamic. The last is the coding. That rules engine is really, as I said, the brain of the engine, and we are doing the core coding at the hardware, closest to the hardware layer. So we are not using any software or anything to do our rules engine, because that is the main thing. We are empowering the rules of coding. The third thing I would say is the right hand side of the whole paradigm, which is eyes, if I can say, of the engine. We are reporting. Now here we are leveraging, because there are a lot of reporting tools. So in fact we are giving end users capability to see what they are used to seeing. So we are not changing that. Be comfortable in using our system. But what we are doing is creating a self-healing process. You will be surprised to know that end user computing, Excel, is doing 50 to 60% of aggregate reporting. There are few systems which are doing, but what we are doing is we are empowering that manual processing, again putting machine learning on it, and it automates the rules. So automatically the system finds the manual processing and it tells what rules to be formed. What is important in this also, that whatever updates come because of the cloud architecture, it flows through all the banks. Right now there are 8,000 separate implementations, whereas we do one change and all the banks benefit. The end report is the same because it's regulator driven. The regulators define what is required. The development principle that we have adopted allows us, today banking compliance is the focus, but tomorrow we can go to different geographies, we can go to different industries, because that is the standard that we have adopted. It is not specific to a specific domain. Let me end with 5 P's of Hexanica. Now that you have understood the problem, I've given you an overview of the solution. First is the people. We are very proud of the team. As I said, we have banking combined experience of 300 people with advisors and management. Our technology person built Excel. He was with Microsoft for 20 years. So very well versed with the problem solution that we have. We have also built an ecosystem of partners. So our go-to-market within our advisors, management and partners, we have access to almost all the clients in the world. So we are IBM, one of the big four consulting firm, as well as Microsoft as our partners. Go-to-market becomes very easy because of that. We are also proud of the proof of concept that we have built. So we have validated that. And the good news is we are already doing pilots with two largest institutions, banking institutions in the world. So the clients already know what they are doing. We are confident of what we are building. And what we need is to build the product end to end. With our patented products, patent pending products, we feel that what is the next step is to get secure $10 million in funding to get our product ready and start going to market. Again, to reiterate, it's an $18 billion regulatory reporting opportunity. We are banking on big data. We are allowing clients to now bank on big data, and we would like you to also bank on big data. Thank you very much.